Bull run in gold continues, hitting the highs at 33.18, and finally it appears a bit exhausted. While silver has also accompanied the run in gold, we have seen silver moving towards 33.10. As we have discussed that beyond 32.60 we are going to look at 33.10. That is what is done. So what to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Are we looking forward to 33.50 levels? Are we looking forward to $34 levels in silver? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. See, earlier in the day, what did we see? That after the rise, the retracement support here from 20 period, and again it has given a breakout. Now if you draw this parallel here, you can see already it is trading beyond this red line, which is the last trend line, which is it has shown the higher highs here. It is already trading above this. Now if you divide this into two, rise, retracement, then the bottom, then the rise, then the retracement. So retracement towards where it may try to move towards this zone, that is towards 32.50, 32.40, but it is taking its time. It is not going to happen in a single candle or so. But one thing is for sure, the bulls appeared a bit exhausted here, and now the buying entry in gold I will recommend is only above 33.10, and then it has to break beyond 33.18.20 zone. If these two levels are taken, then only you should treat this as bullish for the US session. Also notice higher lows are seen, so now it has to trade below 32.95 and 32.90 levels in order to confirm further bearishness. Trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period, it has to converge soon, which suggests that there is a possibility of a move towards 32.65-75 zone very soon. Let's watch out if today is the day, because see, already we have seen a good run, so possibly it may try to erase some of the gains. Stochastic dropping sharp, the MACD has seen a good rise. It is trying to converge. A crossover here is what I will wait for. RSI definitely extremely overbought here, and thus we have to wait for the RSI to come to normal zone, and then it may try to move towards the bottom. Coming to 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts you have similar observation here. See the support here, and I do see this as divide this into two, rise, retracement, then double bottom, then the rise. So possibly a retracement towards at least towards 32.50-40 very soon, if not today. And this is one thing you should watch out for. Right now what is happening, it is trying to take the support from 3300 level. So I will say if you see it is staying below 32.98, take a sell. Expect it to move towards 32.90-92 as the first target, 32.80 as the next, and below 32.80 you can expect more bearishness to prevail. The stochastic overbought, the MACD has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence, and it is looking upwards. I'll see if it crosses over. Till the time it doesn't cross over, do not treat this as bearish. RSI definitely is staying extremely overbought. Coming to 3 hour, now on the 3 hour chart, see all the movement, all the greener candles are outside Bollinger Bands. This could become the reversal candle here. Yes, if you see gold trading below 32.90, 32.80, this will become the reversal, and this is going to be the first red candle, and then you can see series of red candles from here. So now 32.90, 32.80 is the zone which is going to play a major role for gold for any downside move, because below that we may see a very good correction which can take in fact gold towards 32.65, 67 zone and 32.50 levels as well. But right now it is not showing any such sign. Moving averages looking upwards, stochastic overbought, MACD again crossing over here, trading with moderate bullishness here, and see it is not showing any signs of reversal. Though if you look at the move here, the crossover has come from the top, then the retracement, and this is a retracement after the retracement. So possibly it may resume the downtrend again if it crosses over. Let's wait for this crossover, and it requires couple of strong red candles for this to happen. RSI coming to an overbought zone here. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, so similar observation. See rise, retracement, support here, bounce back, and this could possibly take it towards the bottom of this towards 32.50-40 soon, if not today. Because see, today if it breaks below 32.40, that is a reversal confirmation. Today if it trades below 32.40, we are looking forward to a greater correction. Then you can expect it to move towards 32.20 and 3200 levels, which appears a difficult task as of now looking at the momentum in gold. If you see the stochastic, this is extremely overbought. The MACD has crossed over and it is trading bullish. The RSI is overbought as well. So looking at, See, the buying entry in gold is now above 33.10, 33.12 zone. And if it stays above 33.10, 33.12, you can expect 33.18, 33.20 levels at the next targets, and beyond 33.80, 33.20, you can expect it to trade extremely bullish, where we can expect it to move towards 33.35 and 33.50. Notice what is happening on the daily charts. After the rise, it has retraced, taken the support, second greener candle. There is a possibility of a third one as well. But where it closes today is going to be of prime importance, because see, it appears that bulls are slightly exhausted here. It appears that if it trades below, or if it closes below 32.80, 70 zone, you can expect the bearishness tomorrow. But right now it is not showing any such sign. The stochastic here is also overbought. The MACD is extremely bullish here, looking upwards. The RSI is overbought, coming into an overbought zone. So buying entries are only at 30 to 10, 12. If it breaks, then and then only you can stay with the buys. Still till 30 to 18, 20, be watchful. Beyond that, you can expect 30 to 35, 30 to 50 levels very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry 30 to 98, and then you can expect it to move towards 30 to 90, 92, the first target zone, 30 to 80, the second target zone, and then in fact I will be looking forward to 30 to 65, 67 levels possibly. Below 30 to 65, 67, it is going to be 30 to 50, and then 30 to 40. Any drop below 30 to 40 is a reversal sign. Any drop below 30 to 40 is a clear sign that we are looking forward to 30 to 20 and 3200 levels very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. The 32nd batch starts on 5th of May. Do not miss to register for it. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries. And if you're just looking forward to join the Signals channel, you can be part of Signals channel as well. For the queries, you can connect with me. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a SAF-free account with lowest 6%, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts. Earlier I have mentioned that once it comes out beyond 32.40.60, direct lending is towards 33.10. Beautifully, it has hit 33.10, now trying to erase some of the gains. But you can also notice lower highs are seen, and now if you see it is staying above 33.10, you can initiate a buying entry. Beyond 33.10, what you are looking forward to? We are looking forward to 34 33.40 levels at the next targets, and beyond 33.40 it is going to turn extremely bullish. But what's happening after a good rise? It is willing to erase some of the gains, it is willing to give up some of this, can move towards 30 to 60. But again, 30 to 60, 30 to 40. Now 30 to 40 was the resistance earlier, it is now going to be a stronger support. So this zone 30 to 40, 60 on the downside, if you should watch out for, if at all silver tries to move towards this. Where you can sell, I will recommend you to sell only if you see the higher price below 30 to 80 levels. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is overbought here. On the 2-hour, similar observation here on the 2-hour charts, you can see the preceding two candles completely outside Bollinger Bands. The current one is starting outside Bollinger Bands, but also notice the preceding candles delivering lower highs and higher lows here. Thus, it is very, very important for silver now to trade below 32.80. And then this is the most critical zone which it needs to break, that is at 32.60 and 40. Only and only if you see silver trading below 32.40, you can expect slight bearishness. Below 32.20, it's a complete reversal. As long as 32.20 is not taken, it is not a reversal. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness here. The RSI is overbought here. Coming to 3-hour charts, if you see the 3-hour charts, the movement was completely outside Bollinger Bands. Notice this is how it is traded. It still has lot much of scope on the upside. Remember this fact. But since it is completely outside band, it is struggling a bit here on the upside. Let's wait if it trades below 32.80, and then the possibility of prices erasing the gains from this candle exists, which can bring it all the way towards 32.40 levels. Stochastic overbought. The MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is overbought here. On the 4-hour charts, and the observation here on the 4-hour charts is more or less same. See, the bands here are almost running parallel, not expanding. No expansion suggests that these are trying to wait for a breakout here, because see, if it is bullish it has to expand like this, but right now it is running parallel, or in fact converging here. So now the move it is going to show this could try to push the bands to expand, and right now it is very much in zone. And see, this is trading in this bullish channel. Very much important for silver to trade below 32.40.60 zone, and then towards 32.20. If these levels are taken, you can say now the bears are back and we are looking forward to a reversal. But look at the moving averages. These are crossed over, these are trading bullish, looking upwards. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is trading with moderate bullishness. See, this is already seen in extremes here, and this also increases the possibility of reversal, but no signs as of now are visible. RSI overbought. Coming to daily charts, now notice on the daily charts what it has done. Couple of steps are created, then a breakout has appeared. Certainly it's a bullish breakout, and if you connect, you can find out this is how it has been trading. It is a moderate bullish channel. Very, very important for silver to trade beyond 33.10. That is the only level above which we can expect further bullishness here. That will take it all the way towards 33.40. 50 as the first target zone and 34 as the next. 34 is very, very critical milestone for silver here. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet showing any signs of crossover. The stochastic extremely overbought. The MACD, after hitting the bottom, it has crossed over, trading with divergence, which is a very good sign for the bulls. The RSI rising as well. So considering this, the buying entry is pretty clear. I will recommend you to buy silver if you see it is staying beyond 33.10. That is the only level beyond which you can buy, and expect it to move towards 33.40 as the first target. 33.40, 50, once it breaks, we will look forward to 33.85 and 34, and any move beyond 34 is a clear sign of reversal. Till 34, do not treat this as bullish. On the downside, you can sell if you see the higher price below 32.80, you can take a sell, but then this has to be a bit caution, because even if it trades below 32.80, 32.60, 32.40 is going to be extreme strong support, and then 32.20. Only and only if you see silver trading below 32.20, you can call this as a reversal, and then we can look forward to a greater down move here, which is going to in fact take it towards 31.80 or in fact 31.40 level. Chances of such a great reversal appears less, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Just subscribe, press the bell icon, and do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.